Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into an inspiring journey of transformation and sustainability. In From Dust to Design, we'll explore how we can craft eco-luxury furniture from the remnants of old factories. Witness the fascinating process of taking reclaimed materials and turning them into stunning, high-quality creations that not only enhance your living space, but also promote environmental responsibility. Stay with us until the end of the video, where we'll reveal exclusive tips on how you can start your own eco-friendly furniture project. If you enjoy what you see, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Your support helps us keep bringing you more content on sustainable design and craftsmanship. In an age where sustainability is paramount, redefining the concept of luxury has become essential. From Dust to Design explores the innovative realm of crafting eco-luxury furniture from reclaimed materials sourced from old factories. This not only honors the industrial history of these materials, but also promotes environmental responsibility in the design world. Reclaimed materials possess unique stories and character that new materials simply cannot replicate. Each piece of wood or metal carries with it the patina of age, lending depth and authenticity to the final product. By using resources that would otherwise end up in landfills, we can embrace a more sustainable approach to elegance and style. Finding the right reclaimed materials is a blend of creativity and research. We'll discuss where to look, abandoned factories, old shipping yards, and even warehouses, along with the characteristics to seek out in materials, such as durability and aesthetic appeal. This step is crucial for ensuring that the furniture not only looks good, but will also stand the test of time. The design phase allows artisans to unleash their creativity. Whether it's transforming industrial beams into a modern dining table or repurposing old metal parts as unique hardware, the possibilities are endless. We'll showcase various design ideas and the thought process behind them, highlighting how industrial aesthetics can merge with modern luxury. Creating eco-luxury furniture involves traditional craftsmanship blended with modern techniques. Each piece requires skilled hands and an eye for detail. We'll take you through essential woodworking and metalworking skills, demonstrating how to transform raw materials into functional art pieces, ensuring that each creation is unique and high quality. Incorporating sustainable practices at every stage of production is vital. We'll discuss eco-friendly finishes, low VOC adhesives, and energy-efficient tools that help minimize the carbon footprint. Highlighting the entire life cycle of the furniture from sourcing to production underscores the commitment to not just creating beautiful objects, but doing so responsibly. The demand for sustainable and high-quality furniture is on the rise. Consumers are increasingly aware of the environmental impact of their purchases, leading to a growing interest in eco-luxury designs. We'll explore how to effectively market these unique pieces, connecting with a niche audience that values craftsmanship and sustainability. Building a brand around eco-luxury furniture also involves engaging with customers. Sharing stories about the materials and the design process creates a deeper connection. We'll discuss how to use social media, workshops, and local events to create a community around sustainable design, turning buyers into passionate advocates for the brand. Crafting eco-luxury furniture is not without its challenges. Sourcing quality materials and managing costs can be tricky. We will address common obstacles and share strategies for overcoming them, ensuring that aspiring artisans can successfully navigate the complexities of this rewarding market. As we look to the future, the trend toward sustainability will only continue to grow. We'll examine emerging trends in eco-luxury furniture, such as biophilic design and the use of innovative materials like mycelium and reclaimed plastics. Staying ahead of these trends will be key for anyone interested in this field. The journey from dust to design represents not just the transformation of materials, but a broader movement toward sustainable living. By crafting eco-luxury furniture from reclaimed resources, we not only preserve the past, but also invest in a greener future. Join us in this exciting venture where craftsmanship meets environmental consciousness, and together we can redefine what luxury means today. Thank you for watching. We hope you found inspiration in the journey of transforming reclaimed materials into stunning, sustainable pieces. If you enjoyed this video, please take a moment to subscribe to our channel, give us a thumbs up, and share your thoughts in the comments. Your support helps us continue sharing creativity and craftsmanship. Together, let's make eco-luxury a part of everyday living.